Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to log columns in a table in Excel for two way. First of all, open your Excel document. Then now we can see this table. Select this column, hold Control and select this column. Okay. Right click mouse, go to Format Cells. Now click Protections and Locked. Then OK. Or go to Format, click Protection Sheet with password. Then type your any password. Example type 1122. Okay, then okay. 1122. Okay. Now we can see this locked column. Thanks for watching video.